Today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower rice. What you're going to need is a pan, a pretty big pan, one cauliflower. I like to use olive oil, you can use butter, you can use ghee. You're going to need some salt, pepper if you want, and turmeric also if you want. This is just how I make it. One cauliflower is about, I want to say 2 or 3 servings, maybe 3 to 4, but depends on how much you want to eat. So right now I'm just rinsing and washing off the cauliflower. Once you've finished rinsing it off, you can just take a paper towel or a napkin and just dry off the cauliflower. Okay, so once it's washed and dried, you're gonna just cut the leaves off like this. And if you can, try to angle your knife so you can cut out the root and then just pull it out easily. So once I finished prepping the cauliflower, I just used this big grater and grated the cauliflower into big rice-looking pieces. So finally you're ready to grate. Just take a big bowl and start grating your cauliflower into it. Cauliflower rice, it should look something like this. You have some bigger pieces, which is fine, small pieces, which is great. This is what I have left over, so I have like the root almost, and then I have like the little pieces from each, cauliflower. But we have our cauliflower. I have my pan. I'm going to use some olive oil. I'm going to use salt and turmeric. This is not required, but it's good for anti-inflammatory benefits, so I'm going to add this. So now I'm just adding olive oil to taste. You can add a lot, you can add a little bit. I like to add a lot for the calories, but you can choose to make it however you want. And then once it's in, I just stir, and if I need to add more olive oil, I'll add it as I go. So now I'm adding salt. You can add salt, pepper, turmeric to taste. And I was stirring for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you like the cauliflower soft, do 15 minutes. If you like it a little bit crunchy or harder, do it for 10 minutes. So once your cauliflower rice is made, what I like to do is just put it in a little, whatever you call this, a little huddle, because I feel like it preserves the heat once it's already cooked. Okay everyone, so that was my lunch. That took about 20 minutes to make. I cooked the cauliflower for about 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. I like mine a little bit softer, so I put it for 15 minutes, but if you like it a little bit more crunchy or a little bit, thicker, do it for 10 minutes. The olive oil is optional, the turmeric is optional, salt is, everything's optional, so make it your own. My next thing I want to try is either Spanish rice with like some tomato sauce, or fried rice with using peas, carrots, and other various types of vegetables in there. So I hope you enjoy. That was my recipe. Please let me know if you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you want to see next week, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.